Hello everyone, my name is Gyang and back to my channel, Gyang's Kitchen. Today, I am gonna be making rainbow rice. This rice is also healthy. For the base, I'm gonna use this white cocoa rice. Now, this rice consists of the cocoa white rice that is low on carbo and high in fiber. And these are the ingredients to mix with it. Kochi seed, and also this is green pea seed, chia seed, red rice, pumpkin seeds, almond slices, and black rice. Now, let's get started. First, I am gonna put all these grains inside the rice. Put half of everything except for black rice. Put just a little black rice inside. I'm just gonna put half these, okay? Half this, half, then half. So now you see this black rice is still here. Just grab a pinch of black rice and put it inside. There you go. What you want to do is now just mix first. Once you're done mixing and it's good, grab your scissors and get this. This is Konga multigrain mixed rice. It's a mix of, these, but, well, it's high in vitamins. I'm just gonna put all of this inside here, mix again. You can put how much you like on how much amount you're making, but I'm just gonna put a packet since I'm not making that much. Now that's it done. Grab your water and grab your pinky. Measure your pinky, put it inside. Wash your hands before you do it. I already did it. Now just move this, put it right here. Grab your pinky, put it inside. Just measure. That should be enough. I'm done with this. Make sure all of it is below the water. Put it here. Put it inside. Now put the lid on top. Now close it. Okay, now it's already closed. Now just press it on and it should start. Now we wait. Now this is already 45 minutes. Now let's check on it. Oof, that is hot. But I have right here this, so I don't get hot. Just open the lid of this. That'd be kind of hard using this. So just unravel it. There. Oof. This is still actually kind of hot, so just twist it around. Kind of hot. Now what I have here in the back is eggs. Now this is good with all sorts of foods if you like the taste of beans and other stuff. So you just grab some rice. I'm just gonna use a little. Now only a simple like this can become pretty good in this. I have a spoon right here. Let's try it. Put your spoon. Grab your eggs. That's pretty good. Now you can also try it with this. I have back here this. And you can also try this with beef. So if you want to use this beef, first you can buy it at Rumah Gyang. Look at the description. I'm just gonna use a little bit because, well, I'm kind of full. Look at that. Just a spoonful. That'd be enough for me. Now let's try it. Like this. It's good. Just these two simple things and come yummy. Now this is the end of the video. You can buy all this at Rumah Gyang, or you can follow the tutorial that I just made. Now this is Gyang, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!